What is the life expectancy of my air conditioner? The life expectancy of an air conditioner typically ranges from 10 to 15 years. However, this can vary based on several factors, including quality of the unit. Higher quality units tend to last longer. Installation. Proper installation ensures optimal performance and longevity. Maintenance. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning filters and coils, checking refrigerant levels, and inspecting electrical components, can extend the lifespan. Usage. Heavy usage or operation in extreme conditions, very hot climates or very humid areas can shorten the lifespan. Environmental factors. Exposure to corrosive elements or salty air in coastal areas can degrade components faster. Technological advances. Newer models might be more efficient and durable. To maximize the lifespan of your air conditioner, ensure it is installed correctly, maintained regularly, and used appropriately.